Welcome to a quick user-friendly guide on how to enable accepted follow request notifications on Instagram. If you've ever wanted to know exactly when someone new sends you a follow request and you don't want to miss it, this video is for you. We'll walk through the steps clearly so you can tailor your alerts to stay in the loop without extra noise. First, unlock your device and head to the main settings. This is where all your apps and system preferences live, so you'll be in the right place to manage notifications across the board. Next, open the Apps section. Here you'll see a list of all the installed applications on your phone. Find Instagram from the lineup. If you've got a lot of apps, you can use the search bar to speed things up. Tap on Instagram to access its specific settings. This is where you control how the app communicates with you, including all notification options. You'll want to make sure notifications are enabled, but the focus today is on the notification categories. Now, select notifications within Instagram settings. This is where the app organizes its alerts into different categories, allowing you to customize what you actually want to be alerted about. If you see a long list, don't worry. Instagram groups related alerts so you can choose precisely what matters. Look for the notification categories option. This is the key step where you can fine-tune your experience. Tap it to reveal the available categories you can customize. These categories determine the kinds of alerts that reach your device. Find the accepted follow request category and toggle it on. Enabling this category ensures you'll receive a notification when someone sends you a follow request that Instagram has accepted. Actually, this category is about notifications related to new followers awaiting your action. Turning it on means you'll be alerted when there's activity around new follow requests that require your attention. With the toggle enabled, you're all set. You can exit settings and open Instagram to confirm the change. You should start seeing notifications for accepted follow requests.